Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 12 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is Provincial Ombudsman. There are various departments, attached departments, and field offices etc. established in public sector of Pakistan. These are basically mandated for service delivery in the public interest. The public have to contact these entities in their various matters. Sometimes such situation emerges that a person has to submit application or complain against an employee or public sector entity. There are different avenues open to lodge complaint. Such complaint may be lodged at federal or provincial or local level. It may be submitted to competent authority/forum of a department or office etc. However, office has also been established with mandate of entertaining complaints against the public sector entities at federal or provincial level. The Office of Ombudsman has been established at federal and provincial levels in Pakistan. The Office of Provincial Ombudsman, Motasab, Sindh was established in 1991 under establishment of the Office of Ombudsman for the Province of Sindh Act, 1991, Sindh Act No. 1 of 1992, passed by the Provincial Assembly of Sindh. According to the website of Provincial Ombudsman, Sindh, citizens who are aggrieved by the actions of any functionary of the Government of Sindh and functionaries of the Government of Sindh who are wrongly accused of maladministration, and generally all citizens, especially the members of civil society, media, and CBOs may file complaint under establishment of the Office of Ombudsman for the Province of Sindh Act, 1991. Any person aggrieved by the following actions of any functionary of the department/commission/corporation of the Government of Sindh or institution established or controlled by the Government of Sindh. A decision, process, recommendation, act of omission or commission which is contrary to law, rules, or regulations or is a departure from established practice or procedure, unless it is bona fide and for valid reasons, or is perverse, arbitrary, or unreasonable, unjust, biased, oppressive, or discriminatory, or is based on irrelevant grounds, or involves the exercise of powers or the failure or refusal to do so, for corrupt or improper motives, such as bribery, jobbery, favoritism, nepotism and administrative excesses, and neglect, inattention, delay, incompetence, inefficiency, and ineptitude, in the administration or discharge of duties and responsibilities. The website of POS also contains the nature of complaints which may not be filed to the Secretariat of the Ombudsman. It also provides the detailed procedure of filing complaints. The Government of Sindh has established Child Protection Authority under Social Welfare Department. The Children Complaints Office has also been established in the Secretariat of the Provincial Ombudsman of Sindh by way of partnership between United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, established in 1946, and Provincial Office of Ombudsman, POS. According to website of POS, the main objectives of the POS-UNICEF partnership for setting up the CCO are to establish a dedicated redress and response system for complaints related to and by children, against maladministration by any provincial agency, institution, or public body. To provide a platform for addressing child rights issues through research, advocacy, and engagement with children and other stakeholders on children's rights. To enable the Provincial Ombudsman SIND to advise the provincial government on systemic issues which impact the rights of children and compliance with the CRC, Convention on the Rights of the Child. For further details one may visit the website of POS, www.mohtazibsindh.gov.pk. The Provincial Office of Ombudsman, Motasab, has also been established in the province of the Punjab, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. The jurisdiction of each provincial ombudsman is restricted to their respective province. The Office of Ombudsman, Motasab, has also been created at the federal level in Pakistan. It was established under Wafaki Motasab, Ombudsman, Order, 1983. According to Section 9 of the said order, jurisdiction, function, and powers of the Federal Ombudsman are as under. 1. The Motasab may, on a complaint by any aggrieved person, on a reference by the President, the Federal Council or the National Assembly, as the case may be, or on a motion of the Supreme Court or a High Court made during the course of any proceedings before it or of his own motion, undertake any investigation into any allegation of maladministration on the part of any agency or any of its officers or employees. Provided that the Motasab shall not have any jurisdiction to investigate or inquire into any matters which a. are sub judice before a court of competent jurisdiction or tribunal or board in Pakistan on the date of the receipt of a complaint, reference, or motion by him, or b. relate to the external affairs of Pakistan or the relations or dealing of Pakistan with any foreign state or government, or c. relate to, or are connected with the defense of Pakistan or any part thereof, the military, naval and air forces of Pakistan, or the matters covered by the laws relating to those forces. 2. Notwithstanding anything contained in Clause 1, the Motasab shall not accept for investigation any complaint by or on behalf of a public servant or functionary concerning any matters relating to the agency in which he is, or has been, working in respect of any personal grievance relating to his service therein. 3. For carrying out the objectives of this order and, in particular for ascertaining the root causes of corrupt practices and injustice, the Motasab may arrange for studies to be made or research to be conducted and may recommend appropriate steps for their eradication. It has been attempted to mention accurate content available at the websites of the Federal Ombudsman and the Provincial Ombudsman. However, for confirmation and proper guidance one may visit the website of the concerned Office of the Ombudsman, Motasab.